In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple logo with your mobile phone, and you can make this logo without even using any complex design app. And as we all know that a logo grabs attention and it makes a strong first impression and also separates us from our other competitors. So as a business owner, it is very important to have a logo that is representing your business. And if this is the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Esther and I make videos on how to make money online, lifestyle and personal finance. So let's dive into the video now. So like I'm going to enter logo. You can use Canva to create any design, but today we are focusing on creating a simple logo for your business. So I'm going to click on the search. We have tons of already made templates that you can use to design your logo ASAP on Canva. So we click on categories, it's still loading up. Click on categories and style, then you see the type of logo you want to go for. So after clicking on categories, then I want to click on business, definitely, or you can just choose anyone. As you can see, we have different templates that are already here, that are just already made. All what you just have to do is just to click on them and then edit them. You have different templates you can use here, guys. You can see, you see the paid, you see paid, you see free, you see the one that did not put paid on it. This paid on the pro version. So like we are going to be going for the one that we are not going to pay anything, which is the free version. So we are going to choose any one of these design, that them neat logo design, and then edit it and do it to suit the logo for our business. So I will choose this. Then you can change the font, you can change the background, you can change the color. Another way to make money is to use it to make money online. Sorry, you can make money online by designing logo for your friends or anybody that needs logo. It's very simple. All what you just need to have is to have your data connection on your phone, have the Canva app, and start designing. It's as simple as that. So it is still loading. So here we have it. So I'm going to click on where the name is and then edit it to suit my taste. Demis marketing. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the font. You have the line here, you can just change it. Then after doing everything, then you will click on this button here and then save it to your gallery. So after downloading it from Canva and I open my gallery, then I go to Canva section, and here it is. We have the design that we downloaded from Canva and it is saved on our phone. So you can use it for your business and it is very ready to use. Thanks so much for sticking to this end, and if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Comment, share and like, and if you want me to make more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video.